Imagine a coastal area with no mangroves. What would happen to all the flora and fauna in that area? Mangrove named Rhizophora Stylosa, also known as tongo or tongolei, is a chosen species that grow in the coastal area of Popua village, one of many intertidal areas located in the north side of Tonga. Rhizophora stylosa is a large shrub that provides a nursery ground and critical habitat for many species in the sea, including the protection of coral reefs from sedimentation. Popua has many coral reefs, but due to human activities, including over-exploitation, mangroves slowly disappear from the coastal area in Popua. However, from this situation, we decided to conduct a research to find out ways of conserving mangroves in the coastal area of Popua. Rhizophora stylosa are unique trees in Tonga that plays an important role in the environment, especially fighting against climate change effects. Rhizophora stylosa was also chosen because our group conducted a field research in the coastal areas of Popua and have observed that 70% Rhizophora stylosa has been fading away. This clarifies that the largest surface area in Popua is blank, meaning high rate of mangrove population has been eliminated. This situation was by the cause of climate change and human activities of over-exploitation and logging. What are threats to Rhizophora stylosa in Popua coastal area? Rhizophora stylosa has been damaged by the different human action with different human reasons. The main cause of the mangroves lost in the coastal areas of Popua is first, development of urbanization. In 2017, the government in Tonga started to clear most of the swampy areas in Popua by cutting down of mangroves in order to build up a national park in that area. This clearance was a threat to the endangered species and specifically to the elimination of mangroves that exaggerated the safety of Popua seashores from the sea level rise and storms. Second, water pollution. Area of Popua with mangroves were also threatened by the pollution of dumping rubbish that affected the life of mangroves by the disturbance of water cycles, which contribute to an increase in rate of mangrove damage, leading to soil erosion. What are drawbacks action plan for conserving Rhizophora stylosa? Firstly, target audience people in Popua must conserve the Rhizophora stylosa species by standing together and clean mangrove habitats and obtain a restriction sign in the area where mangrove is logged and restricting anyone that goes near that area. Second, government will provide materials such as rubbish bins and enforce the law of no littering in mangrove habitats. This will help to reduce the air and water pollution, which disrupts the life of mangroves. Lastly, the town officer in Popua will be responsible for taking care of the life of mangroves and support people in the community of Popua to replant mangroves if they are being cut down for human use of medicine, etc. So, let us reduce, reuse, recycle, and replant mangroves for a better environment. If there are no mangroves, then the sea will have no meaning.